Carol, teacher from eChineseLearning. Today we will share a story about a bear. It's named Little Bear Tells Lies. Little Bear, 小熊 tells lies. 说谎 Little Bear tells lies. 说谎的小熊 Let's start. In a beautiful forest, there is a section of golden sunflowers. However, on the other side of the forest, there's a wild boar fond of destroying crops. To protect the sunflowers, everyone put up strong and firm railings to surround them. The little bear, named Ben Ben, is a kid who loves to play tricks. One day, he comes to Bei Du Du's house and says, "Du Du, Du Du, the wild boar is coming. He will knock down our railings and chew on our sunflowers." Bei Du Du says in a hurry, "Really? Let's quickly call the others and drive the wild boar away together." Everyone scurries to the sunflowers, but they find no trace of the wild boar. Ben Ben laughs loudly and says, "Ha ha, you are all fooled." Everyone leaves angrily. The next day, the little bear Ben Ben visits Beila's house and says, "Beila, Beila, the wild boar is coming. The wild boar is coming. He will knock down our railings and chew on our sunflowers." Beila says in a hurry, "Really? Let's quickly call the others and drive the wild boar away together." Everyone scurries to the sunflowers, but they find no trace of the wild boar. Ben Ben laughs loudly and says, "Ha ha ha, you are all fooled again." Everyone becomes angrier. The third day, the wild boar really does come. The little bear Ben Ben runs to tell others, "The wild boar is coming. Let's drive the boar away together." But this time, everyone thinks that Ben Ben is playing tricks again. Therefore, nobody is willing to believe what he says. Consequently, the wild boar chewed up all the sunflowers. The little bear Ben Ben cries sadly. At this moment, Bella hears Ben Ben crying. He picks up the sunflower seeds on the ground and says to Ben Ben, "Ben Ben, don't cry. Look at these seeds. We will plant them now and they will grow into new sunflowers again next year." "Thank you, Bella. I know what I should do." The little bear Ben Ben takes the seeds and plants them in the soil with much care. From then on, Ben Ben waters, exterminates, and fertilizes the seeds every day. Also, he makes the railing stronger and firmer. Finally, on the ground, a section of golden sunflowers grows up, and is higher and more beautiful than before. Everyone forgives what Ben Ben did before. They hold his hands and dance very happily. Okay, that's all the story about Little Bear Tells Lies. Little Bear, 小熊 tells lies. 说谎 Little Bear tells lies. 说谎的小熊 Okay, next time we will share a story about an ant and a dove. I will see you next time. 再见。